got no idea.
Can't hear you.
I'm dealing with.
Sorry?
No idea who you're dealing with. I work for the government. You are a noise pollution.
Me. I don't even live here.
Then
Touch me. Can't touch me.
I'm ready to smack you.
An idiot, mate. What the? Camera, mate. Good view. I don't even live here, mate. I was just coming to pick something up.
Yeah, the world is in a crazy place.
I'm calling the cops.
Okay. I'll tell them exactly.
I'm calling the cops.
Okay. I'll tell them exactly what happened.
Yeah, you think you're gonna speed down a road you're not even allowed to drive on, about run over a pedestrian?
Get out of my face.
Huh?
Get out of my face.
Who do you think you are?
Get out of my face.
Why? Why do you speed?
Because it's fun.
Oh yeah, it's fun. You see that speed limit right there?
Because we're kids.
I don't care, it's 25.
Just because you're old and you can't have fun anymore.
Oh, don't give me that crap. Stay off the road if you're gonna speed. Or you're gonna wreck it for everybody. You know that?
Yeah, you don't have to come at me like this, though.
Yeah, I do. You about run me over, you about killed me twice.
Because you were in the middle of the road?
I'm a pedestrian and you have no legal right on it.
I was going down the road, minding my own business, and you came out in front of me.
You have no legal right on the road with that thing.
You...
He's a child. You should give him his key back.
He doesn't have the right to drive on the thing. He about killed me twice.
You don't own the road.
Because he jumped out in front of me. He jumped out in front of me.
Oh, you're a dumb kid too.
I'm 36 years old, you f***ing idiot.
You're a dumb
Okay,
kid.
I'm not a kid.
Yeah, you are a
kidding
kid.
me?
The way you're talking, you sound stupid.
Oh, really? You don't look stupid coming and attacking a 12-year-old?
I'm not attacking a...
I have it on video, buddy.
I don't
Call the
care.
cops.
You know what the speed
Call
limit
the
is?
cops. I'm gonna go get my pistol.
Get your...
right now.
Do it.
Okay, please.
You know what the speed limit is?
Quiet, go home.
You know what the speed limit is?
I do know what the speed limit
It
is.
ain't 50 either.
Where's your proof I was going 50?
You
Hey, we have someone on there with us.
Thank you.
And flipping me off afterwards too.
Yeah, man, you almost killed me.
Oh, I did.
You see how f***ing close I was to flipping my
I
quad?
am a pedestrian on the road.
You were jumping out in front of me.
I was walking. You don't have no legal right.
Going like this is not walking
I
out.
don't know what you're gonna do.
I mean, you're coming at me.
Don't matter. Don't you understand a thing I'm saying?
I do. I can hear you just fine.
All right, you ain't supposed to be on the damn road with the quad. Do you have a license? Do you have a helmet on? Do you?
Can you get away from me, man? Please.
You guys.
Thank you.
Quiet, go home.
How you trying to take a monkey?
I catch you speeding down here again. This is getting impounded.
Okay.
You don't think I know how to do that?
I'm calling the cops right now, so it's fine.
Call them. I wish you would. Leave this thing sitting to you. How freaking stupid are you?
How stupid are you?
Call.
Messing with a 13-year-old.
You need your fucking head.
Hit me.
Stupid.
Hit me. Do it.
I'll call Hayes right now, bud. He's gonna be on his way.
Dude, get everybody here. You guys are totally in the wrong. You know that?
I know where he lives. I
You guys
know.
are totally-
He smashed my dad's phone for driving.
You guys are totally in the wrong. You think
You're
you're in the
also
right?
in the wrong.
Huh?
You're in the wrong.
Why am I in the wrong?
You're an adult. He's a
Oh,
child.
what's that got to do with him driving down that illegally?
Then talk to him about it.
I did.
You're
I
an
tried
adult.
to. I tried to.
It
until
looks like it.
Shut
It didn't
up.
look like.
You're
Don't tell
stupid
me to
too.
shut up. Don't.
Shut up.
Don't tell me to shut up.
Shut up. Get out of here.
You get your ass out of here. Did you give him his key back?
Yeah, I got it.
Get on your four-wheeler and go home. I'm sending this to Hayes police
Can you?
right now.
I don't have a helmet on already.
It's fine. Go.
Okay.
Is jij een bevok? Is jij een bevok? Kijk hoe nou is aan mijn bike. Ik een trap jou. Ik een trap jou. Jou poes. Klim uit. Poeken, klim uit. Jou poes man.
Fan, det var ju grönt.
You are a f***ing danger. Get over. You're a f***ing danger. You're an enemy. I've been riding. Oh, fuck, mate. You're a danger. Overtaking like that. That's gross.
You wanna f***ing go? Do you wanna f***ing go? Coming in! Coming in, you get out of your f***ing car! Get out of your f***ing car then, you you.
I'm about to park my walk. Yeah, see, back up. Exactly, leave. As soon as I start recording, you back up. I'm about to pick up my order and you're not leaving me alone. What are you gonna do? Don't get close to me. I'm about to pick up my order and you almost ran me over. Instead of saying sorry, you're having me to leave.
No, I'm not. That ain't good.
Yeah.
You're stupid.
Okay. Please leave.
Leave, my. You gotta get your ass to the sidewalk and stop being here.
People are in the sidewalk. It's not dangerous. I come here every day and I pick up orders.
You have to walk with your bike. You can't.
I do. I can ride my bike and I can park it in a safe zone. I cannot walk where cars are walking.
Bro, this is private property.
I would like to stop arguing with you and get on my day.
You're bugging me. You're asking me.
I'm not. I'm working just like you. I'm picking up
You
orders.
can't be here riding your bike.
Says who?
Says the police. They're gonna
No.
tell you that.
No. Go ahead and call the police
I'm
then.
not gonna call them, bro.
Okay, leave then.
All my permits are valid, stupid.
Leave.
Little ass. What, dog? Leave me the f alone. I'm telling you.
You're the one who's in my face, bro.
Okay, I need you to move your property and get out of my way.
If you get off of my way, I'll do that.
Man, you're like a little ass kid.
Okay, sure.
Stupid, dog. Who the f taught you that?
Don't talk to me. You'll see me 1,000 times a day. I'm not going to bother you.
I told you from the beginning. Hey.
Okay.
Yeah, I told you to nicely.
There is no reason for you to tell me that anyway, because I didn't do anything to you. Why did you tell me to ride safe? Because I didn't do anything. You're jealous because I have an expensive bike?
You see, you sound like a little ass kid. I'm telling
No, you do, bro.
You wrote in
No.
and said, hey,
Okay, can I tell you something?
please drive safe.
I drive 1,000 places.
I told you in the beginning, please drive safe, right? Nicely, right?
But why would you say that anyway? I didn't do anything to
We
you.
have a lot of cars and I'm very busy.
Okay, I'm busy too. You should be careful.
You're recording me?
Yeah, because you get out of the car and you wanted to fight me. In case I want to use my pepper spray at you.
Fight you? You know
Yeah.
you're gonna go to jail, right?
No, because if you fight me, I'll do that. And I'm not going to go to jail because you get out of your car aggressively.
Yeah, because you're not getting out the way, bro.
Bro, you blocked me. Look who's blocked on my way. I'm leaving. You blocked me. Bro, get in your car and leave.
You're a idiot.
Okay, I have their video here. We can call the police.
Yeah.
I'm leaving.
You to please be careful.
Okay.
Because I'm moving cars. You don't
Yes, sir.
understand that?
I do see that, but no one else tells me that. I come here 1,000 times a day. You're just jealous, bro. I'm telling you. I'll be careful, but there's no reason for you to tell me that. I know how to ride my bicycle. Be careful how to drive. You almost ran me over. No, you're f***ing on my way, bro. Look.
Idiot.
You're an idiot, dog.
Stupid.
You're stupid, homie.
What's wrong with you, homie?
Get the f*** out of here, dog.
No, this is my job. Before I tell the owner not to ever serve you any orders.
Go ahead and tell them. They know me better than they know you. You're not even licensed to be here. I'll call the police. No, where's the license? Show me your license. Exactly. You guys are collecting money here.
No, we're not.
Yeah, you guys are.
Permits, I have
Yeah.
a license, I'm here, guys.
Okay, we'll call the police and they can look at the license. Yeah, you're retarded. You're stupid. You're stupid. Yeah. Go ahead. Beautiful. Please go ahead. Go ahead. I will. The way you're fired. I'm gonna call them and I'm gonna email them the video. Go ahead. Go out, call the police right now. You know, so you're threatening me? I'm calling the police. You're threatening me? Okay. I'm calling the police right now. Bro, you're not gonna threaten me because I'm not gonna feel safe work anymore. What's valet zone? I'm about to park my car, my bike, and go to delivery. Why did you say sorry? You threatened me. Yes, you said you know where I live.
Remember that.
Because you're in a Corvette, you can just run f***ing people over? Is that what you think? The f*** is wrong with you, man? What the f*** is wrong with you? You think because you're in a Corvette, you can just run people over? How hard was it just to merge around me? How hard was it to merge around me? Was it that hard? Get on my ass and wham your horn on, speed around? F*** you. Yeah, let's go.
Are you kidding me? Well, get with you. There's people crossing.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? You're driving like nuts here.
There's people crossing.
No, you're driving like nuts.
All right. It doesn't matter. There's people crossing.
You want me to call cops on you?
Go ahead. Call
You
them.
are one-wheeling right now. You
Call
have a
them.
camera on there.
Call them.
You're one-wheeling.
Call them.
Okay.
Call them.
Nur zur Info.
Recht erklären muss, deine Kamera ist genau wertlos, weil du darfst die Aufnahme nicht verwenden.
Weiß ich. Nur mit der Ruhe. Ich wollte Ihnen nur sagen, wo Sie überholt haben, war ein Kindergarten. Nur zur Ihrer Information, dass Sie Bescheid wissen.
Nicht 4 und fährst dann langsam.
Erstens darf ich mich vorfahren, zweitens war 30, ja?
Ja, und ich darf überholen und weiter.
Sie dürfen überholen mit einem Unterschied von 20 km/h und nicht nur noch im Kindergarten. Lernen die StVO, bevor es hier mit deppert daher jetzt Volltrottel. You really gonna try to kill me over a mirror? You gonna try to kill me? You see my bike? Now you gotta hit and run. Call the police. Call the police. Come on.